Hey y'all, so I ordered this king size bed frame off of Wayfair, and shockingly, it was only $125. Y'all know Wayfair never does their instructions right. They didn't even label the screws, y'all. I'm just like, what the fuck is this? But anyways, I had to put my good thinking skills to use, and basically you take the screw, put the washer on first and then the second washer. So we're about to use 6 in total of those screws, 3 on each side to put the legs onto the headboard. And I honestly don't understand why Wayfair doesn't label their instructions better. It's like they just drew pictures and that was it. But this is me explaining how it has 3 holes and you're going to line the 3 holes up to the headboard so that you can screw those in. This is me screwing in the screws to the other side, and it seemed pretty sturdy to me. Now, this is before I add my mattress and all of that on it. But yeah, it seems pretty sturdy to me. Like when I tried to shake it and bend it, it didn't bend or anything. This is me lifting it up. And those 2 holes is where I'm going to put the side rails on. It's going to take 2 screws for each side. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 screws in total. But before I can screw those screws onto the legs, I have to connect them. And it comes with like a box thing with 4 screws on. And you just line the 4 screws up and screw those in on each side. So it's going to take a total of 8 screws to screw the box block thing onto the side rails to hold the bed up. I definitely should have ate some breakfast before I started to put this bed together because I was exhausted halfway through. Like, this is me. I'm literally laying down because I was so tired. Yeah, never do something heavy duty without eating breakfast, y'all. Like, I was lagging. I'm surprised I actually got through this whole bed frame without stopping to eat. I did drink water periodically throughout installing this stuff. But y'all, never work on an empty stomach. Like, I was feeling it. Bad decision. Moving too fast and I done broke my damn nail off. Y'all, it didn't hurt that bad, but y'all know me, I gotta over exaggerate. Mean face, sorry to give y'all the finger, but it popped off my middle finger. But this is why I'm team short nails. And even with short nails, it seems like I still end up breaking them off. I don't know what it is, but this is why I don't really get my nails done that often. I don't even wear polish or anything. I'd rather just thug it out and don't get falsies at all. I don't like fake nails. But yeah, this is me biting my regular nail to, even it out. Because I was not about to get up to get a file. Now I'm back to work. Now I'm doing the other side, same thing. Screw the 4 screws into the little box thingy. I don't know what it's called, the leg, to support the bed and hold it up. When it came to attaching the actual legs, side rails to the headboard, my daughter had to come in and help me hold it up because it was wobbly. You can see her little hand on the side. My 3-year-old, yeah, she's a paid actor at this point because she's always going to get in a video no matter what. Even if it's going to be her sticking her head in or something. She just can't let me be. But yeah, I would say this is kind of a one-person job. If I would have had something to like hold that side rail leg in place, it could have been a one-person job, but I didn't feel like leaving out my room to get anything. So I called my daughter in to help me. This is the foot, y'all. I don't know what this is called. Is this the footboard? Whatever. This is the end of the bed, and I'm screwing on the legs. It comes with like a little wooden part. You put the wooden part on one side, and then you put the screw on the other side, push it in place and screw it in. So I'm going to do that to both sides, and I'm going to show y'all an in-depth picture of what I mean when I say stick the wood part in and then the screw for when I do the next side. Literally, you just snap it in place, and then you screw the screws in tight to keep it in place. And then after that, technically you're halfway done. Y'all, I was so tired. It's like, I don't like being a handy person. I don't like putting stuff together. But I see it as this. If my man at work all the time and let me be a stay-at-home mom, the least I can do is put some stuff together here and there. Because one thing about me, honey, I enjoy being a stay-at-home mom. I do not want to go back to work. Okay, so I do want to go back to work, but I don't want to work a 9 to 5. I am actually an inspired model and actress, so that's what my main focus is right now. Like, I don't want to go sit behind the desk. I don't want to listen to managers. I want to be an actress. I want to be a model, so I'm thankful that he allows me to be a stay-at-home mom so that I can pursue my dreams. And I always check my work. I always go back in to make sure that the screws are tight, none didn't come loose. So this is what I'm doing right here. And I honestly don't like when the support is wood, you know, like the support to hold up the bed, because in my mind, I think wood breaks easily. I don't know why they don't just make it metal, but anyways, you put the screw through that side and you screw the legs on, but in my opinion, I feel as though it should be metal. And then If I had the extra time, I would have probably went to Home Depot to get more wood supports. But I'm lazy. I'm not doing all that. So I'm gonna just pray to God that this bed frame do not collapse on my ass. But literally, I did have another Wayfair bed that had wood frame, and it did last. It lasted about 2 years, and it probably would have lasted longer had I not thrown it in the trash for no reason. But yeah, so we gonna see. Hopefully, it support my big ass. After screwing the legs on, you basically pick a spot and you screw on the other screws to connect it to the side rails. And I tried to use that, but that didn't work, so I had to end up switching it out for a regular Phillips screwdriver. And it's not hard to get the screw through the wood. Just apply a little pressure. You got it. This is my song right here. It came on. My mind just said twerk, 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 twerk. But yeah, that's why I hate to speed this process up, because I was basically not paying attention because my song was on. And this is how I put my 4 legs on. And this one right here blues me, because why didn't they put the screw part in the middle? They literally put it closer to the edge so you can see the legs are sticking out. And I pray to God like that doesn't make the bed collapse or something, because who does that? You know you're supposed to center the screws. This is me putting the box screens in. I got 2 twins, which makes up for a king size. I didn't realize my voice was so raspy. I guess because I'm tired as fuck. But yeah, this is me putting the box screens in, and then I'm about to move to that heavy ass mattress, y'all. Like, this mattress is heavy as fuck. And I have a black bed skirt. I might buy another one to, switch out to gray. But I don't know. I might just keep it because I hate spending my own money. And since I got the protection plan, they sent me this free mattress protector. And in my mind, those mattress protectors do not work. It literally does not work. This is why this is my second mattress, because my daughter spilled coffee on my bed. My daughter pissed in my bed. And all of it went through that damn mattress protector. Like, ugh, waste of money. Well, it's not my money, but yeah, waste of their money. And I find it easier to, I don't know if a lot of people make their bed like this, but I find it easier to lay all the sheets on top of each other, start with the bottom, and then pull each one up to the top. In my mind, that works better for me versus corner, 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 corner. Yeah, I can't do all that. I'm lazy. And just like that, I am done. And so far, I would recommend this bed frame. And again, it was only $124. It seems sturdy to me, but we gonna see after my kids then jumped on this bed, like if it lasts or not. And I will post an update in a couple of weeks or months. Thank you guys for watching.